Yo, ZK Money Club. Here to do a little bit of back testing, boy, understand me? Really just showing my methods, man. So sit back, enjoy the process, me breaking it down. I'm not gonna explain nothing. Just watch the magic happen. You know what I mean? By the way, I'm partially 50%, you know. Just so you know, I'm not breaking even, like, or confusion and that, yeah. Partially. The blue line's partials. I'm partialing 50% of the blue lines every time. Yeah? So, obviously, 50% there comes back to stop me out break even. Happy days. My red line's at stop loss when I'm trailing. And I'm I can explain it for you, man. That's a really nice liquidation up before the move higher. I should have really seen that really, but it's alright, man. It's alright, man. You see me putting these white lines, yeah? Just so you lot know. This is me sort of outlining areas in the market where I feel there's liquidity lying, where we've created liquidity where we might want to come and hunt that going forward. So that's my thought process, because obviously there's quite a lot of stuff going on as far as stop losses, partials, and all these different lines. You're seeing this push up, and I'm glad we saw that, to see the liquidation of these, and really I'm wanting it to take these liquidations, which it did, to then come back down and then follow on and continue liquidating. So hopefully we're looking at a redistribution here, and we'll see that break down. So here we go. Potentially not. Potentially not. I'm not gonna pull it across next, because just I know there's so much green going on, so just understand that I'm still in the trade here. I've partial twice. It's a nice trade, this, man. It's a nice trade. I'm gonna slap some music over the top of this, yeah, so you might not hear me sipping and all them things there. Man's gotta have his cup of tea, you get me? Like, I've gotta have a cup of tea, rude boy. Yeah? That's lovely, lovely trade. There's a nice bit of price action on the way down. I thought we were looking at, so I did confirm it, I was right, a redistribution in this area. There, I can't lie to you, I was maybe looking for a little bit of a return. Now we've liquidated these areas, little bit of a smaller accumulation to then take these higher up liquidation areas, but it didn't provide me with the sufficient breaker structure to the top side, so continue on the sellage, you get me? Oh, shit. I had power behind it, bro. Oh, man, I fucking love a cup of tea, I can't lie. It's bloody brilliant, mate. You know what I mean? Fucking brilliant, Shan. Ooh, nice, sweet fucking cup of tea, mate. Little bit of fucking milk. You know what I mean? Fucking brilliant. Right, man. Keep playing price, I guess. I'm just trailing the stock, man. Just following the process. I don't know how much we're up right now, but I'm really just waiting for it to turn around, because the market's selling. It's got to buy at some point. So I'm in the sell. If it displays a sufficient re-entry to take more sells, then I will, but it just hasn't. This is why these areas are here. I had one marked in here, I think, as you saw earlier. Probably should have taken it. But I didn't really like the setup, how we didn't break below before we come back in. I like to see that break of structure below to say we're indicating that bearish movement still. This high low didn't give me full confidence in this retest, or just this mitigation area here to keep going. You win some, you lose some, innit? That's the name of the game, bruv. Okie dokie. This is sort of what I'm looking to see now. No. Trail. When we see the end of a big, or when I'm in a bigger move like this, and what I don't even know how many pips are up right now. 110, 112 pips up. I will begin to trail my stop a little bit more aggressively, just because I am anticipating that big sharp movement. And obviously there's always opportunities to get re-entries on both sides. So I'm trying to just secure as much as I can on the table, because I know there's always going to be another trade for me to be able to hop in, whether it's hopping on that buy, or if it does come back down, hopping back down on the liquidity take, the hunt of liquidity on the backside, down to the bottom. So I'm there for it, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm with that. You get me? That's what I was looking for. Cool. Alright, that was nice. I think I had that there in it before I fucked about with it. Cool, 103 pips. Let's just add this up quickly. 30R. What's this? Cool. Call it 0.5. Can't be fucked. 0.5. Call that 5. 17 and a half. 17. What's half 17? My mind's gone blank. 8 and a half. So it's 13 and a half plus. Plus, I don't even know how many partials right now. What is 1/4 of that? I'm sorry, but I need to put a fucking calculator. I might just call it 15 for the sake of it, bruv. Call it 15, man. I can't even be asked, bruv. You know what I mean? 30. Bruv, I did not. Listen, don't even judge me on that. I just passed the C on a foundation maths paper in GCSE, so don't even play with me like that, blood, yeah? Fucking, yeah, cool, man. What's about a swift 20R? Yo, if I've added up that wrong, yeah, please, by all means, tell me that, because fucking hell is my math bad. Yeah, my math is shit, mate. About 20R on that one. Call it 20, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna get critical about it. If you wanna critique me in the comment section, by all means, critique me. Yeah, couldn't give a fuck, mate. Right, now reverse on this side. I wanna see a little bit of it, obviously coming through these areas now. All the I'm burping galore, bruv. All the imbalances that we've placed throughout, I wanna come and grab those, fill those up. All of these areas where people jumped in on sales on, let me eat those orders back up, man. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a whack off in accumulation back on this zone, you know. Why is it like that, bro? I can't even see it, man. No use to normal like that. Yeah? What is this? I'm gonna just put it on the 50% of the zone here. I might not get filled. I might get filled. I might not. Sometimes it will tag just the tops. Sometimes it will come 50%. Sometimes it will literally come right to the bottom. I don't know. Oh, you see that? Told you. See if I went there, just even if I just typed it in. What? That's probably what? 1 pip. 1 pipperoni. It's literally spread. It's literally spread, mate. Yeah. That is what it is, isn't it? Win some, you lose some, bro. It's gonna happen. Can't get frustrated. That is a strong, strong tea. Fucking hell, mate. Oh, I'm trying to get that caffeine in it. It's like 9 o'clock at night, bro. I've been doing this 3 hours now. Obviously not filmed it for 3 hours, but yeah. Cool. I like this over here. Probably look to partial this over. Banging. Nicely done. Probably looking to hedge that back up to the top. Figures, yeah. This is where you sort of come to, if you come to like this situation, you're hedging it. What I mean by hedging is, look now, I'm in a sell, yeah, and we can all agree this is predominantly quite a bearish market, yeah. Look at that, it's been going down for a hot second. It's been going down longer than you've had hot dinners, mate. You know what I mean? So really, the right idea would be assumed to keep it going down. You're taking liquidity in these areas, but I'm quite liking this sort of almost accumulation setup of your higher lows, breaking structure to the high side, and that run back to maybe just touch off this zone here, and this maybe higher time frame structure. So I probably will be looking at potential confirmations in this zone. Oh, mate, I'm so sorry. I feel for whoever's watching this. I'm going to leave that there. Just discount that for a second. There we go. I'm probably going to partial again here. Just because it's my area where I think it might just turn around on me, bro. So that's about there with it. A bit wonky that, mate. I don't even know what the partial is on that, but yeah, fuck it, we'll leave it. What I'm really waiting for here is a break structure to the high side. Isolate one of these order blocks. Take for the bull run. Here we go. Someone is ringing me. Well, you think I answer my fucking phone while I'm backtesting? Are you mad? Obviously don't know me, bruv. It's probably my mum. Idiot. What, you think you can get hold of me? You think you can get hold of me? Don't be stupid. Come on, tag me. Cool. I like that. I like that one. Star. Can we probably look to? Like, I'm gonna look to partial the same area, 50%. See this is where you play next hand for a second. Yeah, cool. This is where you're in a slightly strange predicament because obviously I'm in on this cell here to take it to the bottom, but I've also found confirmation on this little structure here to take it to the top side. So this is pretty much break even, just about break even. There you go. Break even on this. We'll break even on this with 2 partials actually. So there's fuck all on the table on this one. And we're cool on this one, man. So I'm probably gonna look to partial this one up here. Yeah, a little bit of a longer TP, not TP but partial zone. Yeah, man. Let's have a little look, see where we go. Interesting. Right. It's really not the best R on this one, to be honest with you. What's this? Well, we'll call that 0.75. Call that. I'll call it 4. How many partials? My brain's deaded off, bro. Okay, this is half, yeah? So it's half the position left on the table. So it's going to be 2R. Come on. We'll just call it 3R, yeah? I think it's fair. 3R is pretty much 5, and then we'll call it 3R altogether, yeah? I think if you're going to give me hate in the comment section for that, suck your nan, bro. Really? Like, I don't even care, fam. This probably might turn around from here. Probably a good partial zone would have been this. I do want to see that again. I shouldn't be wanting to see anything that's bad trading. Should we just play off what I can see? Probably a bit of partial point, to be completely honest, but we'll play with it, see what happens. Yeah. Even, there you go. That's why you should. Not everyone gets it right. You get me? Like, so. How the fuck do I get rid of that? There you go. I'm just gonna, for the, obviously, keep honest, I'm gonna call that break even. I could have and should have taken partials here. That was probably the smartest thing to do, but I did want to see it run longer. But again, that's just a game of what ifs. We could be here all day with that shit. Why is it doing 101 text things, bruv? I don't know. Okay, right, cool, man. Yeah, it's nice, man. It kind of skimmed it. Come down, come back in to mitigate more orders in that area, and it's pushing down for the lows. I won't be surprised if these get taken now. Just won't be, at all. But yeah, let's have a little look. Yeah, thought as much. I thought as much, man. I'd like a little bit of a push lower, and I'll probably look for some different setups in there. No, I'm going to be cheeky. I'm going to put that back there because normally my first partial was at 2R, or just under 2R, around the 2R mark. So I'm going to put it there. Yeah, don't kill me in the comment section, bruv. Leave me alone. Yeah, break even. I got the money, that's all I ever want. I lost a lot of friends, but I got the money, that's all I ever. Lovely. It's fucking unless that like. No, silly training it. Oh well. Bang, actually. Really not good trading, to be honest with you, Zach. That's bad trading for me. I'll put my hands up. It's not the best trading, to be honest with you. I should have. Obviously, my overall bias was a bearish market. I flipped my bias temporarily to accommodate these high lows. This sort of now grabbing liquidity on the other side of the market in preparation for that move up. Really, without keeping in my mind that we are still in a bearish higher time frame push. So this breaker structure here should have been flipped market head side and back in on things like this here, which are lovely. But instead, I kept the short time head frame, which is it's not the best trading, and it's not the best sort of outlook on my trading either. But you live and you learn that. Just missed my area. Is what it is. Is what it is. Generally, sometimes I'm noticed this a lot. If we're in a big one-directional push, and you probably saw this up here when I was trying to gauge my re-entries. You see how it doesn't always come back because there is just so much order push to one side. That's just how it is sometimes. Sometimes you will get filled, sometimes you won't. It's just trading, man. The aim of the game though is just keep plugging it through, man. Yeah, look at that. It barely even comes back, and that will probably be because spread and all these other things, man. And these candles to the left. Hmm. I got the money, that's all I ever want. Where are we at? Let's have a little look. It's really my ideal. We're going to continue this bearish market. That's really where I want to be pushing, to be honest with you. But we're quite a substantial way off that. We're a good 200 pips off that. Easily, if not 3 or 4. So have a little look, mate. I just quite like that. I'll just partial it here. That line. Nice one. Maybe I was a little bit conservative on my... Yeah, seems like it. Yeah. I was a little bit conservative on my stop loss, potentially. Maybe going just too refined on that zone there. Because it would have been fine if I'd maybe taken this as my area and gone from there, but let's have a little look. Let's keep playing. We're still on this cell, so boom. Cool. Just to check, yeah. I'm still in. Yeah, don't play with me. Don't wanna hear no, that don't lie, that stopped you out. Shut up, man. No, it didn't. Yeah, idiot. don't play with me. Yeah, boom. Turn into an alright little trade, that. Well, there's something like evil. But I don't want to hear it from you, man. Yeah, I don't want to fucking hear it, rude boy. Didn't stop me out. Brother, I'm telling you, I had a fucking Indian, yeah, not too long ago. It's done me dirty, fam. I'm telling you right now. It's done me fucking dirty, bruv. Okay. Could be looking at a little bit of a turnaround right now. Okay, there you go. Call that 1 plus, call that 7, so 3.5, 4.5. Oh shit, I moved the thing. I think it was there, innit? I'm gonna just say there, innit? 3.5 plus 6.5, 7, 10. I think 10 or is that right? Again, if my maths is wrong, tell me my maths wrong, yeah, because bruv, fuck off all my days, bruv. Fucking hell. Cool. Played price too quickly, man. I parade price too quickly. How much has it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh? More than 8 there, surely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When is 8 trades? Mad. Fuck. I'm lagging, bro. I'm gonna work all day. One sec, commentate these, man. Ooh. I wanna see it commentate these. Before we then see a move up higher. Whoa! Chill. Cool. Banging. That's nice, man. That's really nice, man. Little redistribution in there. Now I'm looking at taking it back to that top side there. I've not really been as active as I normally am and getting in. Just been a little bit more picky with my entries, to be honest with you. There's loads of times along here where I could be getting in like this here, a little bit of imbalance in here, boom, breaking structure to the top, bottom side, boom, I'm in. Obviously this is hindsight, and a lot of you are going to be, oh, this is hindsight, you didn't get in because you didn't get in. Nah, for the purpose of this video, I'm being a little bit more conservative what I'm taking. Yeah, man, so shut the fuck up. I'm not in that yet, so I'm just going to put that to the side because there's just a few things I wanted to see before it comes to the zone, and that's why. Yeah, I want to see my confirmation, because otherwise you're getting in a little bit blind, blood, and it just doesn't work. I like that. There you go. Minus one hole. That's jokes. Yeah. Probably gonna leave it there, to be honest with you. I'm fucking tired. I can feel myself lagging. I don't like trading when I'm lagging. But yeah, that's a little bit of an insight of just a little bit of back testing. I'm going to do another one tomorrow after I'm fully rested. I was out last night and I've just done 10 hours at work. So as you can probably imagine, my brain's a little bit on the laggy side. But I'm going to quickly just run through the trades, man, so you have an understanding of my thought process. Right, obviously we know, as we've said many times, it's bearish, man. I'm looking for this bearish market. I'm looking for after we've come up here, we're taking lows, so I'm really looking for these lows now to be taken once we've just come up and taken these highs. We've liquidated these highs, so there's nothing really come to the top side unless we wanna mitigate the higher time frame areas. But again, that's there. I just didn't see that happening. But if that was happening, I would want to see a bigger move higher, and that's what happened here. Anyway, the fact that it broke structure here after doing that, was just telling me where it really wants to go. So it's a little break even in here. Got in on this sort of touch of this breaker structure. Come back in, obviously taking it to the downside. Doesn't work. Doesn't matter. Got a partial on it. Same sort of setup. You see how it's the same setup. Comes back 50% of the zone. Boom. This time it works. Taking it down to the break of here. Obviously then we mitigate structure and come out all of this. Yeah, nice. This one, obviously then we saw that massive move up that I just spoke about, that did liquidate these areas here, come to a big zone, probably where there's quite a few orders that are unmitigated. I'm seeing this nice distribution come to the zone, how we're going through the process, the different phases, and then we end up breaking structure to the bottom side, coming back into that area, and then showing me my confirmation within that zone as well. Beautiful. And obviously we then, as you saw, rode that all the way down for a nice 20R. There were areas in here, like here, where I could have got my re-entries. Again in here, I explained earlier again why I didn't take that, and because I'm being a little bit more picky with my entries for the sake of this video. Again, nice little sell of this supply zone. I kind of changed my head frame just because I'm seeing higher lows here, just to see if we can get a bit more of a push before we move down again. Doesn't happen for me there either. Is what it is. Should have flipped my headset quickly to sort of a bearish head frame, but I'm tired, man. It's been a long day at work. As you can see, because I'm yawning. That's why you shouldn't trade when you're tired, but I want to do this for you lot because it's good to see it. Okay, again, we're on that sell side. I'm seeing it coming in here. I've got my confirmation. I'm taking that on this. This will be hard to see, so I'm going to walk you through it, just because I can see it through sort of into time frame candles. I think that's the right word for it. Right, you see this push up? Yeah, there's a push down. There's a push up here and a push down in this candle. Yeah, so it's come up, liquidated, come back in. We've then come up, liquidated, and come back in. Yeah, we've then come up, liquidated these highs that we've put in, come back in. Okay, where we've then come up, mitigated in here. I've just come for the open of this zone, just because open this candle, and then we've come to obviously plummet through. You could have then got in on the retest of this candle here, there, perfectly fine. Obviously then we rode that down, tried to get a hedge as we were talking about up there. Didn't work for me, is what it is. Okay, nice, push down. Nothing else, any more trades really? Yeah, and then again, so I break structure this side, thought we could maybe take it to the top side, didn't work. That's it for today, man. ZK Money Club. Yeah, man. Shoot me any questions, you got anything to say, bro? Wagwan. Peace, man. Oh, I don't even know how to fucking end.